Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about what is the R value of silicone roof coatings. And real quick, the R value is between 0 and 1. It's really so minimal that no one even puts it on like a product data sheet or anything. But someone did ask me online, what is the R value of that? And just to let you guys know, it's not very much at all. But you're probably wondering, why would someone want to install this on their roof system if it doesn't have any insulating properties? One, it can get your roof, make it seamless if you have seams, which is good against leaks. That's where most leaks begin at. Get your new warranty on your roof, usually between 10 and 20 year warranty. It can make, if you have a black roof, it can make it white or gray, which will increase the reflectivity of the sun, making your roof cooler, which makes your building cooler. So that's one good insulating property, value added thing there. But what does R value on a roof system matter? Well, it controls how much heat and how much cool you use. Certainly bigger buildings like schools and malls and strip malls, the energy costs are a lot, and energy costs are only going up. So certainly the more R value you can get on your roof, the better. And certainly with new construction, there's adding the R value on what's minimally acceptable and legal. So you want to keep track of R value, and if you're doing a roof repair or a roof restoration or doing a new roofing system, look at the R value. It'll save you money in the long run, and something you should consider in determining which roofing system you want to install. Maybe you're wondering how to increase the R value of your current roof, because silicone coatings over top will not do that. We do spray polyurethane foam roofing. Its R value is 6.5 per inch of thickness, which is the most of any roofing insulation out there. It can go over top of your current roof, so that's one good option. Or you can install new regular polyisoboard insulation. I think it has 5.5 R value per inch of thickness, but there's certainly ways to add R value on your current roof if that's what you're interested in doing. Hopefully I answered the question you're seeking. If you want to learn more about this topic, please click the link in the description. It'll take you to a blog post that has more detail. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.